Are you using Gmail? If you do, in this coaching video, I'm gonna save up to 50% of your time in Gmail. Second day, I'm gonna 4x your ability in terms of performing activity in anything you do in G Suite or Google Workspace. And also, I'm gonna improve your quality of work up to 2 times to 6 times. Of course, you want it right? Of course you do. So let's get started right now. All right, very first step, before we get to start using all the smart features, just to make sure those smart features are being enabled in your Google space. So now to do this one, just go to the Gmail and then you move to your settings. See your settings, and then what you do, you just scroll down, or you just press Ctrl F Smart, and you see this on Smart Compose, Smart Features, Smart Reply. Make sure these are all on. Smart Features is already been turned on. This is already been turned on. And Manage Work for Smart Feature Settings. You click that one and make sure these are all both are being on. And bingo, you're all set for utilizing the power of Gemini to Google Workspace. And now I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to do this one in all the different emails, Drive, spreadsheets, and docs, and so on, so you can unlock the superpower for you. So first, we're going to start with the Gmail. So let's say this is the one in the email, in the Gmail coming on right now. It's there. You want to make a reply. So what do you do? The Gemini, you don't even need to read. You can just come over a reply, and then you straight there, you click this icon, help me to write, and write down okay, so what I did, I want you to read this email and create 3 partnership opportunity and show them 3 partnership opportunity for them to do the partnership with VSHR Pro Academy and invite them to have a meeting with our partnership manager next week. Straightforward. I'm gonna click the create, and now Gemini will do the magic. So now I literally even haven't to read that email. So I save all the time, let the job, and now the fast forward is there, and all I need to do, I can just insert that thing. The post is already there, reply is already thing. It's already mentioned 3 angles. They have done all the writing for me, and all I need to do, press hit send, and then email is gone. Well, if anywhere, so here's the thing, there is a place it's asking about partner manager, right? So Mr. Yoon, okay, so I just write it down, Mr. Yoon. We write it down here, so it's even more customized. Where to include it, also mention where it needs an input to complete your script. So that's the way email reply can be fast. So normally I get hundreds of email, let's say around 400 email a day. So the Gemini really helping me to make the great outcomes of this email very, very fast. So that's the first thing right now about email. The next thing is about the Google Docs. Google Docs has a lot of feature into it. First, any document right now, I can just say. Now I'm going to show you what magical thing you can do in Google Doc. So one of the first thing you can do is you can use actually a block, easy one. What you need to do is just go on the top of the documents whenever you want, and you just click it through, and you put a at, and you write down summary, and you see there's a keyword coming up, AI summary. You select that one, and it instantly will produce an AI summary for the whole doc for you. So now you don't have to read the whole doc. From the summary, you already figured out what exactly you need to do. So you can place that one by selecting yes, and now the block has been placed. And now it's not the best part, but even the better part is about if anybody changed the documents, all you need to do is just come back and you can refresh the summary, and all the changes will reflect it here. Or even, let's say example, you don't like and you just want to see another summary, it's not clear to you, you refresh and it will give you a different version, more updated version as well too. And it's not only in here, you can actually go to the top right of the corner, you can click that Gemini, and you could do, and one of the things I'm showing you everything from an account which is actually a Gmail account. It's not a paid account, so all the magic thing happening from your personal Gmail account. So you can say this one, summarize the top actions of this document, And you can actually put a more targeted comment like this, and now it's actually giving you another version of it. So now it's not only that, it also gives you some more suggestions. So what is the core component of the executive assistant in LinkedIn documents? You can just click that one too, and it give you the answer too. It's also prompt you to find out some related documents. So this is how you can save a lot of time by summarizing your document by utilizing these AI features of Gemini in Google Docs. And here's the best part, it's all integrated because Gemini is a part of the Google Workspace, and it works even on free Gmail accounts. You don't have to be only about G Suite apps or G Suite subscription. You can get it all for free in your Gmail account. Now it's time for the Google form. And Google form is the best part is about you definitely can do a form design, but the main thing is actually not only designing the form. Main work is about all the data entered in the form. It wants to a Google Doc, a spreadsheet, and that what is the main challenge, looking in the spreadsheet data. And this AI can help you to save 90% of your time by utilizing in the spreadsheet data and reporting. And I'll show you right now one really good use case, and you can do the same way for yourself too. So here's a Google form we have, which is basically a talent application for VSHR Pro Academy. So right now we have around 154 applications here. So now when I can go to the view to the spreadsheet, and now the spreadsheet is already here on the 154 applications. So what I'm going to do, if I try to look each of the CVs, it's going to take me days to finish 154 applications. If I want to look at the CV, and I will be probably very biased, I will not be doing that correctly as well too, because a lot of criteria I'll miss. So I'm going to show you a simple criteria which I can use to actually sort all those candidates in just minutes, not even days, not even hours. So what I will do, I'm going to write down a prompt here. So the prompt is here. I want you to review the whole row, and then identify this candidate is suitable for marketing intern position. So let's change the marketing to let's keep it a marketing position in VSHR Pro Academy, and let me know your opinion. And you always ensure suitable candidate have some sort of passion about marketing and experience in marketing. And at the end, okay, I'm going to change this one. There's a not at the end. It should be at the end. Give me your rating 0 to 10. 10 means highest, 0 means lowest. Be critical, and you want and you count each strength as a point to give the rating. And now I select that one. So now I'm put that code here, and it's instantly give me a rating 4 out of 10. So now I'm gonna show it to you. So now I have 154 candidate reviews. So I'm gonna just drag it out for another 3 to just show you how magical it is. And instantly giving me the rating for all the candidates. This is 4 out of 10. This is 2 out of 10, and this one, this is not really suitable at all too. So it's probably giving a different kind of data, couldn't really extract into it. No, why not? Let me come in here. I'm trying to push it out one more time. Yeah, there we go. It's giving me 7 out of 10. So now the same way I can just drag and drop to the whole 154 candidates, and I can get their rating. So now I can make a rule, like any candidate more than 7, 8, 9, 10, I will review the rest. I can just send a thank you letter, instantly. So now I can save myself from looking into all those CVs, which is even low ranking, and I focus on 7 and 10, and it's probably cut down my 90% of my brain power and 90% of my eye power, because to look into each of the CVs, I need to look with my eye at the eye power, and then I have to process in my brain to find out is it suitable or not. So I'm outsourcing my all 90% of the brain power and eye power work to the Gemini and getting the rating, and now I'm only looking into the CVs, which is 7, 8, 9, 10. So now for yourself, you could set even 8, 9, 10, or for yourself, you can even set your own standard like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do that as well too, and that's how I'm outsourcing those brain power and eye power work to Gemini and saving my 90% of my effort and really focusing on the top candidates, which are really going to make sense for me to take a look and proceed forward with the different other interview steps. So far, we worked on spreadsheet, document, and also in the email too. So now it's time to work on folder directly. It works even on the folder level too. Such an example, you have all the folder here, and you want to see a specific thing. So you can just come and click on the Gemini, and you can go there into the prompt, brief me, what is this folder about? Now I just put that prompt, and you'll scan through all the documents, and you're gonna tell me right now what is this folder about. Let's see what's the answer coming out. Yeah, so this now is now briefing me all those folder about as folder right now. So now I can even go for a specific master plan document too. Like an example, what is this BIC/event master plan document? So now I'm putting that thing, and now it's going to scan through that file without even opening into it, because it's already having access, so I don't have to take a look into it. And it's going to scan all that document particularly, which is this one, and giving me the briefing about this event as well too. So this is how Gemini can save a lot of time, and this the best part is about Gemini is integrated in Google Docs, and he's also giving me even more suggestions as well too to take a look. So as it's already been integrated to Google Workspace, so it's already there and it's already connected and accessing everything and giving me a lot of hacks. So this is why I suggest that if you're using Google, use Gemini, these 4 ways, and you can save up to 50% of your time, and you can make yourself like 4 times more productive, and also you can put less effort, like half of your effort, and get the result what you're looking for. And some cases like spreadsheet, you can cut down of 90% of your brain and eye work to the Gemini. So why don't you use it? Use that one and rock and roll.